This is Charles Chapman Greeny on September 22nd, maybe? Saturday. We're at Galveston Beach for the first time. And Charles has decided to crawl away from Daddy and Patrick. And he's momentarily stopped maybe to eat some sand and hang out for a little bit. Charles, come here, baby. Hi, Charles.
Stop waiting around.
No idea if we're anywhere near focus because it's bright and I can't totally see. Good job, Charles.
Oh, Patrick, where's the boat going? Where's the boat going?
I hear you talking. I don't know if we'll be able to hear it. There's Mommy's shadow. Hi, baby. Hey, Charles. It's a gorgeous day today.
Where's the boat?
The water's warm. The weather's nice.
Look at the boat and look how it's out.
Someone's saying, Mama. There's Patrick down there. Hey, Charles. No way, we're in focus. You want to come to the water? It's a good thing your pants are long, Charles. And your swimsuit. Oh, yuck, don't eat it. Yuck, yuck, yuck. 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 He doesn't care. Charles will eat anything. Hi, Charles. What are they called, sweetie? Do you see birds?
Those are birds outside.
Oh, look, they're right here. Do you like them? Charles is coming to say hi to you. Give Charles a little kiss. What's Thomas doing? He's making music. Patrick, can you wave to the camera? Can you wave hi? Patrick, look at Mommy. So come show me your sandcastle. Charles, come crawl this way, baby. Charles. Charles, crawl back to Daddy.
Hi, Charles.
Don't eat it, Charles. It's sand. Yuck. Yuck. Yuck.
Do you see it?
Yuck. Alright, bye-bye video.